we're gonna build a Lego. Oh, tara, build natin.
I bet. Wait, give me my phone, bro.
Stupid. Okay, let's dump it out. Hey, not yet, not yet. We gotta follow the instructions.
I'm playing instructions.
Ano mo na instruction?
Yeah. Ito yung mga stickers, oh.
What's this?
May number.
Yeah.
I think this is a pattern, bro.
Ito yung instruction, oh.
Ito yung instructions. Oh, wait lang. Saan yung bag number 1?
You pushed it away.
Where's the bag number 1?
Find the bag number 1 first.
It's number 7. It's number 4. 1. Okay, let's check the first instructions panel. Let's go. Let's build it. Let's build it.
Nancy, one.
Okay, let's dump out bag 1.
There you go.
No more in the bag.
Yung mga 1 po.
Hey, be fragile, fragile ang ground. Alam niyo ito, di ba? Fragile.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna...
Fragile na fragile yung brown. Hey, a brick separator!
Yeah.
I've never seen one in these ones. And buksan yung maliit.
2 times.
Hey, wait. Pinabuksan
bro.
pa na yung packaging. Bag 1. Ito yung mga small parts, oh. And bag number 2. Ito yung mga small parts, do not inhale.
Why would you inhale that, bro?
Nah, that's swallow, bro. Not inhale.
Yeah, inhale is like this.
Yeah, that's inhale.
Yes, inhale.
Anyways, brown piece, medyo large. Dali, no.
Gumawa din ako ganyan robot eh. Tapos maliit, pero nag-take ako ng 3 days.
You need this.
3.
2 times.
Ito.
2 times.
First,
2 times.
ito.
Wait lang, charge muna
Ito
ako.
pa.
Akin, nag-pull mo ko yung charge ko rin.
Saan yung, brick? Isa pa.
Yun, oh.
Help mo na ako pa yung mga parts, eh.
Oh, next part.
2
times again.
Nakabuild na. Ito, oh. Anyways, next part, this.
No, you need again, ayun, oh. Para umaba ulit.
This.
Kabit mo yun.
And malaki na, eh.
2 times. Ano to?
Ito.
And then, so
Ito,
2 times.
ito.
Oh, wait.
Ito. And
Green.
yung blue. Parang. Okay, saan tayo lagay? Dito, isa. Dito, 2. Medyo isa part. Next part. One on the top. Place in the middle. And 2 of these. Pilitan, help us find yung mga parts.
Wait, tinanap ko charger ko. Oh my God.
Charge ka na lang sa other room. Meron charger doon.
Nah, it's low.
Hanap.
Kinuha mo yung blue?
Yun. Next part naman. Next na. Nasa number 7 na tayo. Kaya,
6, 7. What is 7? A 7 is a 7 that is a number 7 of a 6, 7. Get that?
2 times. Where's the other one?
Yung saan nag-charger na yung nakit ko? Bro, nawala na. Apa, mahal
Wala
ko.
na makitang ganyan.
Yung ano? Ito.
1 times lang.
Hindi yan. Hindi naman mababa
1
yan.
times lang yan. Ito naka na. Ano next na dito? Ito, tsaka panel. Help me naman find yung mga parts.
4 na ganito.
Yeah.
Ay, 1 pala. Di yan. Dami na sa ito.
Ayun.
Tapos ito. Ito.
Yun o. Hindi yan.
Ito. Di yan eh.
2 maliit na part na. Ito sa may small pile. Yan.
Ito.
I think it's this, bro.
No, that's not bro.
Yun na yung mga small.
How many subscriber you got, bro?
Okay, we're building the partition. Okay, next na.
Oh, ito naman. 2 times.
Yung maliit na part na dito. 4.
Paano kaya sila gumagawa ng Lego?
ganito na yung isa.
Diba? Paano kaya sila gumagawa ng Lego?
Times 4.
4 naman, maliit na ganito.
So, 1, 2, 3, plus 4.
Ay, sorry.
Ito, 1, 2. Oh, dalawa na ito. Shit, oh, see you.
Yan na, building.
Ito, red na isa. Ito. Tapos ito. Ito. Tapos ito. Ito. Oh, see, ito na yung mga part dito. Shit, gano'n ito.
Wait, saan yung mga part dito? Inanalo ko yung ox.
Ay, dito ba yun? Kala ko nakaharang lang eh. Oh. Ito pa. Ay, hindi na pala kailangan. 2 times lang pala yan. Saan? Stop using phone.
Yeah, stop using phone, nigger.
Matrix sa stop.
Nigger.
Lalagyan niya ng music yan eh.
Ay, lalagyan ko ng skin.
Where's the dark apple?
Parinig mo yung N-word ni Kuya Nathan para makancel siya. Para,
They won't know.
para i-hunt siya ng black people tapos
Yeah.
I'm gonna get molested.
Hey, we have a ship bowl.
nice.
I can eat spaghetti off it now. Nice.
Next.
Part.
Ito.
Dito na.
Ito.
Shape.
Ay, hindi pa. Ito, 3.
3 parts.
Hindi yan yun, hindi yan.
Ay, hindi, ayun lang yan, tama.
Three studs.
Ay, no.
3 studs.
Ito, 3
Order yan.
side tapos
At saka
ito.
You want nigga,
yung
bro?
circle.
Circle.
Ayun na, nasa paa mo. Stinky feet.
Stinky outfit.
Hey, get out.
Hey, guys.
No!
Free feet.
Ah, hell
feet.
no. I'm getting down on the video.
Oh. 2 times? Okay na, 2 times na.
Hey, this.
Okay na yun.
No one.
1 time lang yun.
Hey. Next na.
Ano? Ito?
Blue pieces. Blue. Small parts.
Ayun, blue.
Mix
Ito
yan
blue.
eh.
Ito blue.
Ito. May mix. Yan na.
Dalawa. Isa na yan. Ito. Tapos isa na yan. 4.
4. 2.
Dalawa na yan.
2 yung 4.
Damas, nigga, dalawa yan.
Saan?
Uy, baka may nakamali kayong part wala dito.
Ano?
Saan ito?
It's seeker.
Hey, that's later on the ship. Maybe part 5.
Sticker yan.
Ano sticker? Hindi. Yan yung pang flag yung ito.
Ay, no, yung baka. Plug din.
Yeah, flag.
Ayan.
Anything else? Okay, next part na. Next na, next. Hey, it's building
Dalawa na ito.
itself. Shelf.
One,
Hey,
two.
shelf. Hey, shelf. Scales. Ship. Ano to?
Flat to eh.
Flat. The flat one.
Oh, the
Flat one.
Ito ba?
Flat
Ito ba?
one.
Ito ba yun?
This one.
Ay.
This one.
Tapos dalawa na ito.
I guess.
Last. Parang wala naman tayo tutulong dito eh. Kumukuha na tayo
Mag-aarap
ng
nga
job.
tayo. Yun lang yung job natin. Job?
How much you paying, bro? To see
Yeah,
the
pay us with
masterpiece.
chocolates, bro.
Yeah. We want sneakers.
Sneakers?
Niggers.
Yo, cancel the sneaker.
This nigger saying the N-word, bro. Pag-uwi natin, pupunta ulit sila alis ulit sila, pupunta sila Mindanao.
Ilang araw kayo dun siya?
About a week or 2 or 6, 7 days.
Say that again.
You're not the guy from Fantastic Four, bro.
Saan yung flat dito? Ito ba yan? Oh, ito yan. Tapos susunod
Give
ito.
me another flat
Ay,
one.
tatlo.
But where is the other one of this?
Ito na, ito yung next part. Elades, elasovi, nubay, preso.
I wanna see Nami already, bro. Come on.
Me too, bro.
Me 3.
Me
Did you
four.
know that in
Me 5.
Spider-Man, Mary Jane tells Peter
And
Parker
Nico Robin, bro.
this
So get him, Tiger.
She doesn't realize that he is Spider-Man and not Tiger-Man. Did you know that in Spider-Man?
Tiger Man. Tiger Man.
Friendly neighborhood. Tingnan mo. Are you gonna watch the new Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Brand new day?
Yeah.
Same.
The trailer just dropped.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch it. Yun.
Oh,
Stop sa tenga.
Don't stop the freaking music. It doesn't help me find parts. Hey, dude. Find parts.
I guess. Ano ba? Ito? Oh, dalawa. 4
Damas-
pala, 4. You need 4. Ano pala yun?
Ito.
And then this
Ito.
one with the
One,
C.
two. If that's not a C, that's a key. Oh! I'm a rhymer.
Nigga rhymer, bro.
Bro, it's not Eminem. We can go band for band.
Oh, that. You know, purple.
Pull up that Maybach truck. And magnify the rim. I got the best sound. Fine.
Hey, shut up.
No,
Yeah, shut up, nigga.
no, I don't
You're
shut up.
serious?
I grow up.
You're the
And
singing.
when I look at you, I throw up.
Disgusting.
Yeah, bro. You're horrible.
Oh shoot, I missed a page.
Ito lang buhok si Zoro dito. Son,
Sino?
si Zoro.
Tingin.
Ayun. Nakabanda na lang.
Nigga, why is our bald?
Why usa black?
Guys, I missed a page.
What page?
I picture this. Zoro. Because he black.
What is bro singing?
Bro, talking about anything.
Nubaya
Nubaya preso. Panchito. Deresole. De benebelo.
Patugtugan tayo ng paraganahan tayo ng gumana.
Yeah, patugtog tayo na.
Ako na ako may premium.
So, eto na ang super slow.
Shut the freaking up.
Sana gana.
Panchito. Sorry, Dubai. Kapain ko to. Des el asobi, nobody,
I guess.
presa, Inalida peligrosa, rúbame el corazón. Cochicón, bailo gana, no platito, show platitano.
7.
Going Mary,
You stop
son.
staring at the freaking
Ayun ang time per ship nila.
Oh, per ship yun ang Going Mary.
Season 1.
Yeah, I know this is
Season 1. Hindi ka season 1 lang naman lahat ng episode eh.
Ano?
Hey, may season 2 na.
Coming. Hindi, ay, isa, yung sa
Meron na
live
season-
action yung sinasabi niya, hindi yung sa anime.
Meron na season 2. So may live action.
Di
Boring
watch
nun eh,
that.
ang haba kasi. Ang haba ng
Kompletuhin
movie.
kaya nila yun.
Oo, kompletuhin nila yun.
Kung matatanda na sila, hindi pa nila matatapos yan.
Kaya nga kinat nila eh. Pinakita agad nila si ano, yung green yung
Robin?
buhok. No. Yung
No.
green na buhok.
Si Zoro?
No. Yung ano, nasa Log Town.
Buggy.
Green ba yung buhok nun? Nakalimutan yung pangalan kasi I don't watch that mix
Where's the
anymore.
freaking? Where's this piece?
Yung init! Kuyok! Matapat lang sa kanyo.
Hello, guys.
Ela, so, bino ba, preso? Yan.
So I need 2 tile pieces. This tile piece.
Where?
I-mix nyo kasi. Hurry up and find it. That's the
Oh.
only freaking job.
Saan ba? Saan? Saan
2
dito?
tile pieces yung ganito.
Wala na. Baka next, ano na.
1 more piece.
Baka next na.
Baka nasa paa mo. Napain ko na yung isang piece eh.
Oh. Baka na kay Kuyok. Kaya tago niya.
Ano ba hinahanap mo?
Ayun nga, ano eh. Ito yung piece ito. Tawag sa pisa. I-mix
Ay, yung
nyo
bilog.
kasi.
Oo nga, minutes
Not
na kasi.
bilog. The tile piece. I need
Ito nga, 1, 2. 1, 2.
There's 4. You did 4.
Eh, di ba nagamit na dito kanina?
4 pieces yung tile, not 3. Ano na? Find it! Mix nyo na kasi yung pieces eh.
Oo nga, minutes niya kasi.
Yeah, I didn't do anything.
Pinita na tsaka ikaw eh. Kayo nagpa-find ng pieces eh. Kayo nag-mix.
Why me, bro?
Why us, bro?
It's the only freaking here.
Tino, may nagamit na dyan eh. Alam ko. Elades.
Yeah, baka muli ka na.
One.
Oh, ito.
Look.
Oh,
1.
3. Ay, 1 na.
1 pa lang.
2.
Oh, 2. 2, 3,
3.
4. Oh.
Oh, 4.
4 na.
3
oh.
pa lang to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lang. Where's the 4th piece?
Nigga, where no?
Then make a find it.
Tayo ka, baka nasa
Oo nga, baka na sa'yo. Eh, yo.
Nothing.
Yeah, I don't got it, bro.
We'll find it. Hurry
Yeah,
up.
oh, din down, bro.
Or din done.
Maybe it's in the bag.
Linit.
It's so hot.
Yeah,
My
first-
bad. Wala, stop. Joke lang.
Hanapin yung baka nandyan lang yun.
Where is it?
Ito, ano ba ito? Wala.
Where is it?
It ain't there, bro.
Find it.
Kung hanapin mo ni Ethan, kung nag-shamble niya
Ikaw, what do
ba.
you mean?
Bruh, find it both of you niggas.
You both niggas.
Sana di mo mamit yan tapos mababan kasi.
I'm never gonna post this. Why would I post that?
Hoy, penge!
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 You're in my video. Get out.
Yeah, you're on our video.
Yeah,
bro.
you are on our video.
Hey, we can continue.
Hindi ka na manap yung charger eh.
Okay, next na lang, next.
You just keep that one, bro. I'm sure you're gonna find it later, bro.
Yeah. Eh, paano kung nabuo na natin?
Ano? Baka may nawa. Maliit lang.
Oh, nawala yung isang tile piece.
Anong tile?
Ni-mix ni Kuya Nita na Kuya Uxie, yung mga small at saka big pieces.
Hanapin niyo yan.
Oo nga.
Pwede yung Kuya Nita.
Why me, bro?
Oh! Yeah, the one freaking mixing it. Oh!
Buksan niyo tong ano.
Dali.
Ito!
Finally, there it is. See, I told you, you freaking missed it.
See?
not me,
See?
bro.
He did it, bro. It's on his side, so he is.
Yeah,
Not me, bro.
you hit it.
Nakita ko nga dito yung nasa slide ni Siyo.
Sayang na naman eh.
Elades.
Yan, para naiwanan.
Dubai Espresso.
Eladis,
Elaso.
Elado.
Puerto Corazon. Pasito. Nasito. Yo, so dark.
I guess.
Okay, next. Let's find all the parts. What am I even trying chocolate for?
Yeah, bro. We do this for chocolate.
I'm not gonna finish chocolate. You're helping.
I'm helping, bro. Son, watch the videos that I'm sending you, bro.
And I miss you. And I need you.
Tananananan.
Next part.
And now I
Next part? I
wonder.
said
Eh,
next
ito
part.
pa, di mo pa nalalagyan yan, no? You're
Next.
missing some
part?
parts, bro.
No,
You're
not.
missing one key
Oh, wait.
part.
Give me that. More. One more piece of it.
Okay, we're almost finished.
What do you mean, bro? Kapal-kapal niyan.
What do you mean? This is 1,000 pieces. We only done like 100 so far.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
And hurry up and find me the pieces, dude.
Fine. I'll find you pieces in exchange of
2 Pringles. And 5 chocolate.
500 cigarettes.
500 cigarettes. No, fine.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. Yan. Oh, ito pa. Asan to? You already got which one?
I already got it.
I bet.
Are you sure? What are you throwing them? I'm gonna cut that part out.
No, I didn't show them anything, bro.
You showed them niggas.
No, I didn't, bro.
Yeah, you showed them niggas.
How do you know?
Because it's
Dun,
niggas.
dun, dun, dun.
Bro, this guy is racist.
Ito ata yun, balik na data eh.
I'm just gonna cut out you.
Alin dyan
Yung
sa
may
dalawa?
yung may ganito. Ilalim. Ito yan. Ito yan. O, tingnan mo, ayun.
Ito yan.
Hindi yan, wala yan. Hindi yan, iba yan kasi.
Ayan,
Ito,
ayan.
Walang ano yan. Wala yung parang bite mark.
I guess.
Ito yung may bite mark. Oh!
An IQ too high.
IQ too high for
An
the
IQ too low for me. Tara, Emil.
Hey, you're helping me.
Yeah.
Exchange for chocolate, or I don't give you chocolate, don't have me.
Tingnan mo, nandito pa lang tayo.
Yeah, tapos na yan. Ito na, dito.
Yeah, obviously, bro. What I meant is this, bro. Pinupio, ayun. Nakayo pa siya sa finish line.
What the hell?
Yo, stop sending me gold. Premiahin si Riz. Yung tita mo, ay na-premiahin.
What the
You will
hell?
be accepting anyone, bro.
I'm crying, bro.
Chocolate, chocolate.
Chocolate Lego. That thing looks like a chocolate.
Rich and...
Oh my god! No, that's not a good thing. Organic webbing! How is that not a good thing? It's funny. So yeah, Spider-Man's body is mutating in history of organic webbing.
Elanes, elazo,
Question that we need to ask is, okay, let's look at the original Spider-Man 2 for a second. Peter lost his powers because he lost himself, right? In the story, the whole was right. Sort of a simple story, but everything Peter lost, Peter was isolating himself because that's likely how his gains powers, right? But what's important is Peter is gaining powers while losing his own sense. This is what we hope in the comic that would now
Hey, who's that me, bro?
dangerous. Actually makes
You don't need help, bro. You're all literally doing it
Yeah,
so fast.
yeah, bro. Without us, bro.
Without us, bro.
Yeah, but it's still need him. No.
Bye, tuma, 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 bye, tuma, tuma, tuma.
What does that mean for some characters in each she's a baby and I'm right. Whatever happens, Peter Ventura is
Si Sadie Sink nasa Spider-Man, brand new thing?
Yeah,
Ooh.
I met her, bro.
Yeah, sure, bro.
Yeah, sure, bro.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
I guess.
I'm Peter Parker, bro.
Yeah,
Who's
sure.
Peter Parker?
Yeah, who's Peter Parker?
Yeah, who's Peter Parker? Have you seen me and Spider-Man in the same room, bro?
Yes.
No, you don't, bro.
And let me get the freaking parts! The parts!
Fine.
I'm the one building.
Two, bro. Yeah, and this. Two of those. One piece. More like me piece. Para sa dito.
Ang tanggalin na mga hindi matanggal.
Itong butas. Is this butt plug?
So,
Mas malay pa sa delivery mo to ni Ethan, eh. Son, what did you do?
Where's the parts I asked for? Dude! Parts! Dude, I'm not giving you chocolate, you're not happy.
Son!
Hurry up!
Ay, nakabili ko na nga. O, yun, o, yun, o, yun, o, yun, o.
Give me that! Give me those.
We're gonna have a haircut.
Great. I'm gonna say, give this man the bald cut.
Yeah.
I
Deep.
mean, by I mean man, I mean you.
I guess.
Oh yeah.
Bro, stop with the brain rot. I'm tired of the brain rot. I'm no genuinely tired of brain rot. So, what do you call Yo, Chuck Norris is dead. But he didn't die. He just got bored. Hindi naman nakikita din sa video mo yung ano. Nakikita lang ang panic.
So get out!
Lumapit ka doon, hindi nakikita yung Lego.
Don't. Let's get out there.
Nakikita lang. Paano ko yung Ethan? Son.
Dude, help me find the freaking parts and not just
Hindi ka pa nga tapos eh.
Ayun no, di ko pa katapos dito. Nalalaglag mo eh. Wait lang, I'm gonna charge my phone.
There we go. Now we have a ship. I'm gonna move the camera.
Sa gabi, inimbitahan ako ng kaibigan ko, si Melvin sa birthday.
Emel.
Tayo kain nila, nasa dulo ng baryo, kung saan bihira na ang ilaw at puro puro at talahin ng paligid. Pero dahil matagal ko na siyang kaibigan, pumunta pa rin ako. Pagdating ko doon, masaya ang paligid. Maraming tao, may kantahan, may tawanan, at syempre, maraming pagkain. Tinanong pagkat ako ni Pepe, kain ka na, daming handa.
Dude, help me find the freaking parts.
Kumuha ako ng pagkain, may pansit, barbecue, at kung ano-ano ulam na mukhang masarap. Pero habang nakatinig,
Wala na to, saan
bigla
to?
akong nakaramdam ng kakaiba.
Wala nang ganyan yan eh.
Bigat ang pakiramdam. Parang ang bilis kong nabusog kahit hindi pa ako kumakain. Naalala ko bigla ang video ni Lolo. Tahimik kong hindi
I think it's time for number 2.
sigurado kong walang nakatingin
Not yet.
Pagkatapos, dahan-dahan.
Why do you keep rushing it?
Wala na, oh.
Yung karne, gumagalaw na
Yeah, mga small na lang na parts.
para ako tinuryente sa ulat.
I guess.
And where is this part? Kuya Narita?
Patingin sa paligid. Napansin kong tahimik na. Yung mga tao na kanina ay nagtatawanan.
Yeah, guys. Maybe you skip a part. Sabi ko na, number 2 na, oh.
Parang sabay-sabay silang
Si Zoro!
Yeah, mamaya.
May green na buhok.
walang boses niya. Pero may kakaibang bigat. Parang hindi siya ang nagsasalita. Usok pa mo ang ngumiti. Sunod pilit na kalmado ang tono. Bigla akong inilabas ang phone ko at nagkunwari may tumatawag. Si Mama, pinapauwi na ako. Sabi ko, sabay tayo. Walang tumigil sa akin. Walang nagsalita. Pero ramdam ko ang tingin nila araw kapalayo ako. Paglabas ko ng bahay, hindi na ako nagkatubiling maglakad ng mabilis. Madilim ang daan. Wala halos ilaw. At ang tanging naririnig ko ay ang huni ng kulibiling at hangin sa mga talahin. Pero ilang hakbang pa lang, may narinig na akong iba.
Maliit lang
Mga iba,
pala. Akala
hindi
ko
lang isa.
malaki.
Marami.
Hindi, meron pa.
Hindi sila nakikita. Pero ramdam ko na may
You know,
naglalakad.
mga bags din yun. Oh.
Ah, malaki pala.
Dami yan.
At doon ko narinig ang mga iba. Nakapasok. Pero hindi ko man. Parang may halong galit at gutom. Hindi ako lumingon. Alam kong hindi dapat. Sabi ni Lord. Kapag naramdaman nilang takot ka, mas lalo silang lalapit. Matakbo akong umabot sa isang bahay na may ilaw. Walang pag-iisip, kumatakbo ng lakas. Pasukin ako! Sigaw ko. Mabuti na lang at may nagbukas. Isang matandang lalaki ang sumilip. Tapos agad akong pinapasok. Isinara niya ang pinto at nilak. Hingal na hingal ako habang lumapit sa bintana. Dahan-dahan akong sumilip. At doon ko sila nakita. Nakatayo sa labas. Si Melvin. Kasama ang mga tao kanina sa handaan. Pero hindi na sila normal. Yung mga ngiti nila, pilit na pilit. Yung mata nila, parang walang laman. At yung katawan nila, parang mali ang pagkakatayo. Parang hindi natawag galaw. Nakatitig sila sa bahay. Parang naghihintay. Tumatras ako sa takot. Taga saan kayo? Saan ka galing kami na? Doon po. Naki-birthday sa bahay ni Melvin lang nagbago ang mukha ng matanda. Nagbibiro ka ba? Wala nang bahay dyan. Parang tumigil ang mundo ko. Wala nang nakatira dyan. Kasi kilala yan ang bugat ng aswang. Hindi ako agad nakapagsalita. Napatingin ulit ako sa bintana. Wala na sila. Tahimik na ulit ang labas. Pero sa loob ko, alam ko na hindi iyon ang huling beses na makikita ko sila. Simula noon, mas lalo kong sinunod ang piling nila. Hindi dahil sa takot lang. Hindi dahil may mga bagay sa mundong ito na hindi mo kailangan makita para malaman na totoo sila. At minsan, sapat na ang isang simpleng utos para mailigtas ka sa isang bagay na hindi mo na kayang takasan. Grabe yung mga nakalaban namin sa dito. Parang hindi mga tao magsilaro. Paano ba naman grabe mag-demon kite sila dito? At kung makikita nyo talagang palong-palo. Ganito pala mag-link si Demon Kite. Talagang nakakatakot. Tapos yung galawan, sobrang smooth. So what's up guys? Ginamit ko nga dito si Sunshin at naka 5 man kami. At sa hindi nakasang pagkakataon, ikaw naman namin dito. Ako Rival Baby. Eko si Ariana Grande ay si Gokeng. Si Taylor Swift naman ay si Uwe. Si Alicia
Sino mas malakas? Ako si Demon Kite.
Ako.
Si
Yes.
Gilbert. Tapos eto si Sabrina. Na Carpenter naman ay si Renny J. At syempre si Big.
Ba't nandyan si Rene J sa ML?
Pero bago natin
Dahil
i-break down
kwarto.
yung laro na to, hindi ka pa nakalagin follow sa
Dati.
Facebook page ko, ay maaaring pakalagin follow na lang para sa mga content na kagaya na ito. Simula pa nga lang ng game, ay alam na namin agad kung ano yung kakahinat ng Deno. Kita ka pa naman daw sa mga pro player ngayon, tapos sila ba yung super team na yung season? Grabe ka na, multo. Pero kahit na ganun, ibigay pa rin natin yung best natin sa laban na to. Dahil kahit pro player sila, talagang natatalo rin naman sila. Yun nga lang, ay hindi sila matalo dahil yung back team ay ginagawa lang ng playground. At kapag nagseryoso na sila, yung sila halikaw, magsilaro. Sa mga hindi nakakalam guys, kung bakit hindi maabot ng yung mga stars ng mga pro player dito sa Pilipinas. Yun ay dahil pumatak sila sa screen. Kung mabalikan siya yung production, si Devon Knight, wala pa siya 400 stars. Tapos si Dominic naman ay hindi rin 1,000 stars. Ganun din si Uwe, mababa din yung stars niya. Pero bakit nasa sila kahit na nakababa yung stars nila? Yun ay dahil yung mga stars nila ay galing pang point system. At alam natin kung gaano competitive yung era na yun. Ngayon kasi guys ay napakadali na lang magpa-stars. Kaya yung mga nasa leaderboards na yun, iilan lang talaga yung mga malalakas. Yung totoong nag-grind para mapansin ng mga management. Ngayon kasi na-observe yung below. Tapos hindi na talaga yung epic sa mga meeting. Kaya ngayon yung sistema na yun ay inaabuso. Kaya yung mga stars ngayon ay hindi na talaga big deal. Hindi kagaya na.
Hey! Lapit na!
Kaya kapag nyo kahit mababa yung mga stars na
I
mga player,
guess.
Bag 2 na! Bag 2! Where's bag 2? Where's bag 2? Where's bag 2? Kaya 2!
kaya yung makikita ng dalawa nila ay wala pa sa
Bag 2! Bag 2! Bag 2!
Anong bag dito?
Ito. Thank you! Okay, sino gusto mag-build si Zoro?
Me! I'll build Zoro, bro.
Hold on. Hindi pa.
Buhok niya lang to eh.
Nandito yung mga cards.
There you go.
Okay, build Zoro. Build Zoro, build Zoro, build Zoro.
So,
Legs. Legs niya.
there you go. Sword.
I want
Put this on the sword, bro.
guide to the underworld. We are meant for more. Nathan, will you be my boyfriend? I've never told you this, but I do see a bright future with you. Is that a yes or no? I'm...
Is it Zoro is attacking your feet?
Might as well wait a bit.
We got Zoro now!
You think I was someone else? No.
Okay, now let's
Excuse me, no, no, that's
the other
We're just like
one.
earphones and giving them AirPods Pros.
Okay, we got the part of the ship.
So come on, then will you please?
Hey dude, look different cards. Mami na to.
I guess.
Are you sure? No, I have to it's fine. Are you sure? I'm still in shock. I want to wait, right. That's how you pulled it out of my ear. And I pulled it out and I was looking at it. I turned it
Hurry up before you can get ripped up.
Paghaluin mo ang dalawang pack ng all-purpose cream at isang latang mango condensed milk. Pagkahalo, maglagay ng pinutol-putol kaya crackers at maraming mangga. Haluin lang yan ng gusto. Then saka lagyan ng mango sa ibabaw. Takpan at ilagay sa freezer overnight. And that's it, guys. Ready na i-serve itong napakasarap na homemade mango graham ice cream. Subukan nyo na rin gumawa nito. Paghaluin mo ang dalawang pack ng all-purpose cream at isang...
If you take this cable and plug it into this socket, snap in a batch and hit one of these buttons, it activates a hydraulic which is mounted to the structure of the device. To be loaded and no jack up and no support to the back edge. The hydraulics that mount to the spine of this jack and help with this possible as a backup. All the like time split, picking up when the hydraulic extruder switches back and low enough fully supporting the position. Just use these buttons on the side. That's it. Just initiate 5 minute massage. Release any tension within your back. Feels amazing when working. You can also fully recline and live it over the rest of the massage. Chair is fully adjustable to fit everyone and the back is maintained by dynamic bubbles.
Day 2 of scratching the top of the pinnacle magnet goes completely white. Okay, have one new follow. Follow okay, Day 2 of scratching.
Let's ask college to...
So hurry up. Ayun na.
Wait, tira mo akong charger.
Other room.
Nathan, nasa yung power bank?
Nasa other room.
Kinuha mo na talaga kanina yun, no? Ay. Ilang porsyento to?
12.
8? What are you?
Mga kapuso, mag-aaral ko sila po ng ating gabi. May ilan pa rin pong
Saan nating charger?
tip at mga
Uy.
tricycle
Walang.
dito sa Quezon.
I'm crying.
Saan to drum?
Okay, we've completed so much of the ship. Dude, we've completed so much of the ship.
Only you did that, bro.
What do you mean?
Hoy, Nathan, tumulong ka dito. Puro ka cellphone. Are you?
Charge na ako eh.
Are you?
Down
to the tree. Nice.
Noise!
No.
Guys!
No. Panda.
Panda Express!
Panda.
Hey dude, where's the real rail piece you were playing earlier? Dude,
Oh,
where's the little rail piece you were playing with earlier?
I'm not playing with anything. Anything dumb. Ito pan. Kay Sanji to ah.
Okay, next part.
Purple rain.
Okay,
Abang,
tomorrow.
ay Nathan, kunin mo yung blue.
Dude, help me.
No, wait up, bro.
Find me the path I need.
Ito ba?
Yes.
No, not there, bro. Here you go, bro. 2 times, bro. Bandana ni Zoro. Why can I find it, bro? Ah, bro.
Give me the long pieces now.
Dalawa to eh.
Okay, give me 2 more of those one piece.
What?
One pieces, one studs.
Son.
Oh, you know. That's really it.
Oh. My fort.
One more.
Son. Oh. Can't find this, bro. Saan to?
Tapos na kasi dyan.
Ay, tapos na ba? Oo, ano, wala. Another board. And then this.
Hey, where'd the stick piece go?
Let me stick this.
Ito? Hey, I need one more of this. Hey! I need one more of this.
Wala nang ganyan, nalagay mo na eh.
Wala! Isa pang ganito na.
Ah, ganyan.
Kasi na yun yung binigay mo sa akin.
Bakit dalawa ba yan?
Ito. Next.
Two. Tama na.
Makita yung charger, bro.
Yeah, sure, bud.
Yeah, sure, but kahit ikaw pa mag-check eh.
Eh, 4 na dan to.
I mean 4, bro.
4 dan to.
Kung tururun, tun, 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 ayan, binigay ko na.
May charger dyan. The black.
Nandun sa may blue, alam mo yung blue na bag? Yung blue na maliit na bag. Doon yung mga charger eh. O kaya baka nahulog.
Saan blue na bag?
Yung light blue na bag.
Dude, help me find it and not on your phone. It's not brick though.
I just hit the jackpot.
Hey, I just hit the jackpot.
Woohoo! We got a ship piece.
Nag-update yung TR. Nag-update.
Sus. Yeah, sure, bro.
No, mini giveaway pin. Lumaw.
In a million years, bro. Giveaway ping lang yun eh.
O ito, delikado ito mawala. Transparent pa
Next.
naman yan.
Ano? You gave me shoulder when I needed it.
Okay.
Hindi ka made a dick, bro.
Let's get this.
One,
Piece.
Ano ko kaya nalagay ito? Ano ko yun?
3,
These
4,
This part
Ayan, bigay ko na lahat.
here. This part. I need one more golden piece.
I just hit the jackpot.
Chaos! We finally have the part of the ship. We can finally eat off it.
Nice.
I just hit the jackpot.
Nag-charge ka nga eh, liar.
Hindi nga nag-church eh.
I just
Hindi ko
hit the
ma-choose.
jackpot. Nasa ilalim nga, baka nasa ilalim na upuan yun.
Check mo.
Ikaw na, ba't ako?
Dali na, hanapin ko charger mo.
Nandun nga sa ilalim na upuan yung charger mo nga eh. Ay, nilagay ko sa table yung power bank kapon eh.
Ay, yung carbon ko.
Hindi. Oo nga. Baka kinuha na ni Tita Eds.
Hindi ko na kay Ted yung carbon.
Tanong mo kay Tita Eds kung nasa.
Wala nga doon.
I just hit the jackpot.
Butot ka dito. Ang number na kayo?
2,
Ha?
2,
6?
2,
6?
7,
6?
7.
6?
Hey, stop being jackass.
Finally, almost 200 pieces. Finally, 200 pieces done.
Continue it again tomorrow.
Nope.
Son.
Got to finish this today.
Let's continue it tomorrow.
Bag 2. Only bag 2 today.
Okay, back to today.
2 bags a day.
I bet, bro.
Next bag. Can you bring me the parts?
Sure, bud.
Bring me the parts.
What the frick? We are Charlie Kirk. We carry the Do you know what Charlie Kirk is?
Did you just...
Do you know what Charlie Kirk is?
Dude! You're sitting on the Lego pieces!
Do you know what Charlie Kirk is?
It's you in... We shall evaporate your...
What are you both saying?
I have the energy and strength
I just hit the jackpot.
Stop taking it.
Papagupit ka ba?
I guess.
Sonic Kiss.
Okay. One is this, one is this, one is this. There's the pig.
Sinitan lang ba yung may poging kasi?
Hindi, kasi di naman pogi cousin ko eh. Aray!
Say swear to God.
Say
Say walahi, bro. Say wala.
walahi, bro. Say walahi.
Say walahi, bro! Say walahi!
Say walahi, bro. Say walahi. Ay, ko puti. Say walahi, bro. Say walahi. Oy, di pa charge na. Bigyan mo kay TV. Hindi pagkatapos, bigyan mo. Bigyan. Mamolest ka hindi ka.
Say swear to God. Put that on my say.
Wala tuloy.
Oh, bigyan mo na. Say walahi, bro. Say walahi. Kulot ka pala.
Huh?
Ba't ka kulot?
Di ako kulot.
Niggas kulot.
Nigga, I'm not kulot.
Nigga doesn't use
Dog,
shampoo.
you're losing parts by sitting on them
Yo, dog, I'm sorry, yo.
and eating them.
Son. Uy, bigyan mo na.
Yeah! Son.
I just hit the jackpot. May,
Tinanong ko sa'yo.
I guess, bro, I'm gonna look at it, bro. Hey, Gagi.
Dog, would you? 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. You lost the tile piece! Dog! Title!
Animals in Olympus. Okay,
Doon mo kasi nilalagay sa may box, so yun doon, para brown. Makikita mo yung mga piece easily.
Dog! Queen Nathan! I'm gonna hulog your phone! Dude, Queen Nathan's going through your search history!
I went to his search history, bro.
What?
I went to his search history.
What's this? Gooning?
Yes, gooning. He's gooning.
I have parts! Oh!
Look at this nigga.
Nigger!
Ngabang kulot yan, di naman.
Malulubat na ako! Bigyan mo nga! Mimi! Touch mo to! Kunin mo yung Pringles, oh. May Pringles show time.
You go get it. Back.
Dog,
Go
you
get him,
messed up the
Target.
pieces! Get out of here!
Inarahan ko
You're
nga para di
messing up
malaglag,
the
eh.
pieces!
Go get him, Tiger.
Friendly
Oh
na.
my goodness! It's our friendly niggas!
Friendly niggas. I hope this nigga got cancelled,
Niggas
bro.
in the hood!
Yeah, me too, bro.
I hope you get cancelled, bro.
Yeah, me too, bro.
Yay!
Say nigga when you're in America, bro.
Did you say nigga in Hong Kong?
Yeah. What a week. Kung kami yun, we would have said
Yeah,
nigga.
if it was Yuri, bro, he would said it in front of
A
nigga,
black
bro.
nigga.
You're a flat
Mga
nigger.
iboni.
Kasi
You're a
bro.
flat
Black.
nigger in a bigger in a digger in a egger in a big. You're American.
You might. Yo, Mike. You better watch your mouth, Mike. Akin yung cellphone ko.
Damas ka ba? Actually stupid.
Akin na.
What?
Akin na.
Wala sa akin damat.
Boyfriend ko.
Boyfriend, ha?
Your kid looks tight. This is why. Nigga, I just sent you that, bro. I just sent you that, bro.
Hindi talaga. Wala akong sinusunod. Wala.
Bigyan mo to kay TV. Ay, ayaw mo.
Wala ano.
Ayaw mo.
Sinend mo nga. O, dahil.
Bigyan mo kay TV yan. Ay, gagi. I accidentally pulled the trigger, bro.
Nigo at if it's a real gun, bro.
I get it.
I will, if it's a real gun, I will point it at a black person and accidentally pull the trigger by myself. I will pull it like 3 times to make sure. I mean 4 times just to make sure, bro.
It's empty?
Yes, I will empty the mag.
Get an Uzi for that. Much easier.
Police can't have Uzi, bro.
What?
Police can't have Uzi. Mataas ba sahod ng police? Intan.
Oh, nigaro no. Ito, bro.
Nigga, I just sent you that.
No, you didn't.
Where is Mesty?
Mesty.
Ibigay mo kasi!
Nabigay ko na,
Naloko ako,
baliw!
Hindi mo binigay.
Oh.
Ano, nakikita ko po.
Bigay ko na. Ito mas niga.
Bigay mo. Ito may bibigay. Ay, ito yung masakit to.
Dog, I don't mess with my freaking one.
Uy, bigay mo na kasi. Para mapaglaro tayo. Ng Tsunami Brain Rot.
Iyo. Nabigay ko na nga.
You didn't even give it, bro. Ayun, nakikita ko nasa ulan, no.
Sa unan.
Bigay mo.
Absolute stupid.
Bigay mo, absolute mayor.
Dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I woke up, spit that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back. I had a dream I could buy
Charlie Kirk really dead? Just, that was me. I could survive that shot, bro.
Peace. Power.
I'm positive he's not dead, bro. Is Charlie Kirk dead? Stop hating if you ain't. Start leaving, stop hating. Ang init, gagi. Makes me wanna take a bath so early, bro.
Yes.
Early in the morning, then. Early in the morning.
Sabay daw kayo maligo ni Kuya Nito.
Hell no, nigga.
Payag ka. Bakit? Kasi naman kayo eh. Uy, bigay mo na!
Bigay ko na.
Stop lying!
No, I'm not lying, bro.
You are!
I'm not, bro. Oh, hanapin mo pa.
Kahit
Oh.
mamatay man si Kelly.
Oo.
Oh, kahit mamatay man si Tita
Kahit-
Eds.
Kahit mamatay ka eh.
Ayoko, ba't ako? Si Tita Eds. Oh.
Bigay ko na nga.
Ah!
Walay, bro. Ay, walay, bro. Oh.
Say walay, bro. Say walay.
Say walay, bro. Say walay.
I know, bigay mo na kasi. Gusto mo mamatay, Tita Eds.
No, nigga.
Gusto mo siyang mamatay.
Wala kang sinabi, son.
TV charge mo na. Nigga, you're not eagle, bro. Sinimingin.
Hoy! Ano yan?
Penge, isa.
Charge mo. Charge mo.
Could you charge yan?
Isa lang eh. Dapat mo ah. Ikaw nga, may Pringles kami, wala.
Tingnan ko.
Hindi na yung tita lalay.
Ah,
Dog.
gagi, may bubuyog.
So, pakailangan natin doon.
Lobat na nga, hindi na kamumukas eh.
Ano mo password?
Hindi.
Ako.
Tara! Mag-post tayo.
Say walay, bro, say walay.
Yok, kumain ng ano. Game ang password niya.
Dude! Uy, ano ba ko yun?
Sorry. Stop messing with me or I'll molest you right now, bro.
Kuya?
You wanna see Kuya Nathan getting molested, bro?
Uy, kuya.
Wait, tabi. Uy, magpapagupit tayo. Anong papagupit ko? A. Basket. B.
Hey!
Balik ko may Pringles.
Hey!
Yeah.
Hindi kayo nga lang.
Baka share daw tayo dyan, sabi.
Oo, ito.
May narinig ako eh.
Cool, bro.
And then you collab with him.
Ano ba ito, Bri?
When it's low-key daylight, that's why it's low-key so hot, bro. Ano? Papagupit mo ba? Magpapagupit
Nigaro
ba?
no.
Tanungin ko nga si Tita Ed.
Bro does not know Tita Ed's like.
Tanungin ko si Big E.
O, sino may gusto?
Me! Me! Ano yan?
Brief.
Ako!
Ako. Ako isa.
Brief? Yung istiga nyo, 2-3 yan tan.
Uy, large!
Large.
Akin na to.
Eh,
Large
kasya
to
sa
eh.
akin.
Sure ka?
Intan, sukat.
O,
Ano yun?
2 bags pala. 2 bags na yan. Tuwar na lang yung mga
Okay
ibang
na to,
bags.
Ay, kasya sa akin.
Mami, 2 chili. Mami! Mami!
Kasya po. Kasya po.
Hindi ko
Ganyan din
sa
size ng
ito.
buto.
2
Sukat
bags.
ko ba?
Sige, suwatin mo.
Well, iyan ako na to sa may...
Tan, dalaway nandyan.
Dalawa
Ito
po.
lang.
Yung dalaway nandyan. Maghati kayo dyan. Salit-salit kayo dalawa.
Ano may open?
Ay, no.
Open mo.
Saan? Really, bro? Ayun o. Mula tayong isa eh.
Pares yan. Large. Kay Kuya Ok, pagkasya ni dalawa na kay Kuya Ok, isa na sa'yo. Tan.
Why?
Isa na lang sa akin, madami na akong trip eh.
Ako 3 lang break.
And see you for part 2.